Welcome to Shenkar. We promised you that this summer we will be working. So look behind me and you can see the Pernick building and the administration building being totally renovated. Actually, we became very ambitious. So the renovations we are doing this year go much further than what we have planned to begin with. And we're very happy to tell you that when you'll come next year, you will be seeing us with 3 new departments that will be, I'm sorry about the noise, but this is the way it is right now. You will be seeing us with the 3 new departments: software engineering, chemical engineering, and management engineering. We'll all have new houses. We will have the campus renovated, and the year after, we'll finish our project. Take a little tour in Shenkar so you can see what we're doing. You probably remember this was the cafeteria. This year, there are going to be classrooms here. Next year, there's going to be an auditorium. And this whole building is going to change, and the stairs are going to disappear, and there will be a new square here for the student. And if you'll follow me up the stairs, you'll see where we're going. Now this is going to be the cafeteria. It's going to be a small but very elegant cafeteria. Students can sit here outside, and if this doesn't look to you as a garden, then when you'll come next time, I hope it will, follow us to something we found here in Shenkar. Now this is the backyard of Shenkar. You've probably never been here. Most people in Shenkar never been here. I hope next year it will be clean, it will be green, and what you see here will be a new square for the students. It's an old water pool that used to be part of the orchard that was here. It's now going to be renovated, and students can sit here, have coffee. I know it doesn't look like it, but I'm sure that when you'll see it next time, you'll find it very pleasant and charming. A small little square in Shenkar where people can get together, and we can allow the student to be having some gatherings for themselves and for the school here in our backyard that is going to change completely. This will all be cleaned up, and when you'll see this next time, it will be a nice inner yard that leads to the building at the end that now actually houses chairs and tables and empty rooms. And hopefully next year, the MA program in design will be sitting right there. What you are seeing now actually is a new space we have discovered. It is between the administration building and the Pernick building. The first floor, where the people are working right now, is going to be part of the textile department. The second floor, where we're standing right now, is going to be part of the chemical engineering department, which will be connected to the administration building. We are now creating a connection between the 2 buildings, and as you will see next year, this gives us a lot of new space for classes and labs. Actually, where I'm standing right now is going to be the chemistry lab. All the things that were spread for years in corridors and little rooms are now going to be collected into one professional laboratory for the chemical engineering department. And next there will be a cosmetic lab. So here is the next fundraising mission to equip these labs, but we're going to build them this summer. This person is an architect. He looks like an idiot, but he isn't. You probably remember this was the Gadalon floor. It will still be the Gadalon floor, but now it will be all dedicated for the industrial management department that actually didn't have a home of its own, one of our biggest and excellent departments in Shenkar. We're now creating offices for the faculty, discussion rooms for the students, classes. It's all going to look like a real school, and I hope that next year the students, when they'll come, they feel that the quality of the place matches the quality of the learning in Shenkar. So this is the new software engineering department. As you probably remember, software engineering never had a department in Shenkar. Now this whole floor is going to be dedicated to them. You can follow us and see one of the new rooms. It's going to be a computer lab. Actually, again, we need some funding to finish the equipment. Next door there will be a class, and then there will be rooms for all the members of the faculty And hopefully this will allow our department to grow and become a much more prominent department in its field, as it should be due to the quality of its faculty and students. You can see that we will be very busy this summer and next summer. And by the end of these 2 years of renovation, we will have 5 new departments in Shenkar, 3 from engineering, 2 from design. We will have the whole inner parts of Pernik and administration being renovated, and we will add 2 floors on the Pernik building. We are doing this with your very generous help, but also with the help of the state. The state now matches $1 for every dollar that we have collected. The whole project is going to cost us almost 25 million shekels. We are still lacking the last 4 million shekels in order to finalize the project the way we want it to be. We hope to see you all in Shenkar this summer and next summer, so you can see the new place we have built for our students and faculty, and I'm sure you will be very proud of it. See you soon.